Hello and welcome to our new video. This is Amshik Gade. You're watching Crypto Planet Calls. So friends, if you have watched our previous video, I am sure that you are safe from this dump. Why? Because in our previous video, when BTC was at this area, I have told you that you should not open in long positions. I have told you that we have chance of dump, so you should not open long positions. So people who watched our previous video, I am sure that you are safe from this huge dump. Many members got liquidated in last 24 hours. Let me show you. Almost 692.97 M liquidations have been done in last 24 hours, as you can see. And from the 692 M, almost 631.63 M liquidations are of longs. So people who have opened long positions here at this area by seeing this fake breakout, they have been loosed. So that's the reason I tell you guys to watch my videos. My videos are just 5 to 10 minutes. Just spend 5 to 10 minutes from your whole day. I'm sure you will be safe from these sudden pumps and sudden dumps. So watch today's video carefully. In today's video I will tell you the update of the BTC, when you have to open long and when you have to open short, which is good today. Everything will be discussed in this video. So watch video carefully. Do not miss even single point. If you miss single point also, you will lose huge amount. So watch video very carefully without skipping. And for this type of dump predictions, please hit the like button guys, so that it motivates us to make such more videos. And subscribe the channel so that you won't miss such updates. Okay, so without time wasting, let's start the video. So friends, people were happy yesterday by seeing BTC breaking out the consolidations phase. Almost after 17 days, BTC has broken this consolidation phase. BTC was continuously moving in this area. After 17 days, we have seen a breakout, but unfortunately, BTC once again entered the consolidation phase, which is a very bad sign. So, as you can see, BTC was trading in the uptrend channel. As you can see, uptrend channel means BTC continuously goes in this way. BTC was currently trading in this area, but currently we can say that BTC has changed the trend. BTC has broken down the trend. Not only it broken down the trend, it also broken the main Fibonacci level. Let me show you, which is a very bad sign. If I draw the Fib levels, as you can see, it has been broken down the 0.5 Fib level, which is a very bad sign. When 0.5 breaks down, we can say that the trend has been changed. It was in uptrend channel. As you can see, it was in uptrend channel. Currently it broken down the 0.5 Fib level. So we can say that we are going to start a downtrend towards this area. Okay, keep in mind this area, which is at 92,600 and 91,700 area. Okay, keep this area in the mind. Currently BTC has broken the main support area, main Fibonacci level. Okay, keep an eye on this area. BTC currently broken down our dotted trend line. As you can see here, we have the dotted trend line. It has been broken this area, and we have a horizontal support at this area. BTC even broken that. So as you can see, currently the retest also done of 0.5 level. BTC tried to break above it, but I have told you many times, this 0.5 Fib level is the strongest Fib level. Like if it is the support, it will be the strongest support. Like if it is the resistance, it is the strongest resistance. It was support previously, but it has been broken down, so it became resistance as of now. So whenever price reaches this 0.5 level, it pushes the price downwards. As you can see, BTC tried to break this area, but it failed to break. Okay, so currently it reached the 0.382 Fib level. As you can see, 0.382 Fib level. So it is currently trading on this area. So if BTC closes above this 0.382 Fib level, it may again try to break this area. So let's see what happens. So keep an eye on this 0.382 Fib level, which is at 95,655. Okay, if the candle closes below this area, you can open short position at this area. Okay, if candle closes below this 95,655 fib level, you can open short position at this area, and our first target will be at 94,049, which is our 0.236 fib level. As you can see, 0.236 fib level, which is at 94,049. This will be our first target, and the second target will be our main support area. As you can see, it is our main support. BTC must pump from this area, which is at 92,700 and 91,700 area. BTC must pump from this area. If this area is broken, then we will see huge dump in the BTC. So as of now, keep these areas in the mind. Okay, so as of now, I suggest you not to open any long positions. As you can see, BTC trying to break down. So let's see what happens. The closing is in 42 minutes. So in 42 minutes, the closing will be done. If the closing is below this area, I will update you on my Telegram channel. You can open short positions. As you can see, every update can't be given in the video format. So some updates are given directly in the Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. These are the free BTC updates. As you can see, yesterday I have predicted the dump. As you can see, BTC next expected move. As you can see, today the result is in front of you. Okay, I have predicted this dump. So for this type of predictions, join the free Telegram channel. Link is given in the description and as well as the comment section. Okay, so as of now, open short position if this area breaks down. Okay, if you want signal of this BTC when this area breaks down, then you can join our VIP channel. So to join our VIP channel, first of all, you have to join our free channel. The free channel link is given in the description and in the comment section. So in the free channel, click on the pinned messages. You will find the VIP prices, VIP benefits and my username. Message to my username, our team will add it to the VIP. So when BTC breaks down, you will get the signal with perfect entry, perfect targets and perfect stop loss. Okay, everything will be given. Your work is to just enter at the entry zone and sell your profits. Okay, so do not worry about the fee. The fee will be covered in 1 to 2 trades. Okay, so this is about the BTC. So coming to the BTC dominance, BTC dominance currently re-entered the symmetrical triangle. So what I expect is it may test this area of the lower support of symmetrical triangle and pump to this area. So overall BTC dominance looks bullish. So if it is bullish, it is very bad for the altcoins, because when BTC dominance pumps, alts will dump. When BTC dominance dumps, alts will pump. So as of now, BTC dominance have chance of pump, so alts have chance of dump. Okay, clear? And at the same time, BTC also looking bearish. Okay, BTC is also bearish. If BTC is bearish, automatically alts are bearish. If BTC dominance is bullish, then alts are bearish. Overall 2x negative to the altcoins. So be careful with your altcoins, trade with stop loss. Okay, so that's all for this video. We will meet in our next video. Bye.